Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to export your profile in OBS. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application in case you have not. Do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to export the profile. Well, it's quite easy. At the top left on the navbar, right next to Docs, you will see a button like this called as Profile. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you have to do is focus on this button called as Export. Click on it right now. And from here, what you guys have to do is simply select a folder where you want to export the profile. Well, document is okay with me, so I'm simply gonna select the folder. And guys, that is it. As soon as you click on it, your profile will have been exported. I'm gonna show you guys it right now. And guys, this is it. This is the profile that I had just exported. That is it, guys. That's the gist of it. That's how we export a profile. That is your OBS profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.